And let's start with 250 grams of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 125 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, regular vegetable oil. I'm using soybean oil, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Now just mix it with a spatula, then we'll knead it by hand. And now from this point on, we'll mix it by hand. And now knead for 5 minutes. Knead well. All done after kneading for 5 minutes. I'm going to put it inside a plastic bag. You can cover it here with plastic wrap, no problem at all. And let's let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, sprinkle some flour here. Let's roll out the dough. It has already rested enough. Do it like this with your hand. And now you just have to roll it out. And here, I rolled out the dough to about 30 to 33 centimeters in diameter. And I'll use this bowl here, which is 12 centimeters in diameter. You can use whichever one you want. Any diameter is fine too. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour. It will look like this. And here we can make another one. Done. And with this recipe, I was able to make 7 pieces, but it depends on the size you make. And now let's top them. And don't forget, from now on, turn on the oven. Let it preheat to 180 degrees Celsius. Here on the edge, just keep folding. Like this. Tomato sauce, you can add as much as you like. And here I'm only going to pea it with mozzarella. You can top it with whatever you want to. A little bit of oregano. Here I just lined it with parchment paper. Let's put the mini pizzas here. And now just do the same with all the dough rounds. Just fold the edges. Tomato sauce to taste. Mozzarella to taste. Oregano. And now just let it bake at 180 degrees until the edges are golden. And here it is after about 20 to 25 minutes. And with a crispy crust. Just like the mini pizza from the bakery.